Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, The Sketcher Art and Technology, and today we are going to deal about the latest technologies or the latest features that WhatsApp has added.
I'm honest, I'll just make you cry.
The features being video calling up to 50% at a time, WhatsApp payment, WhatsApp chatbot, the QR scan code, and not so new feature, but there is a feature that is broadcast. So let us begin with WhatsApp payment. This feature will help all the WhatsApp users to make online payment using WhatsApp platform. Like for now, they have been using Google Pay or Home Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm maybe. But now, since WhatsApp is launching this very new feature, that is WhatsApp Pay, so we need not to use any other payment application for that. We have got WhatsApp payment with us. Although it is being launched in various countries, and especially with the beta version of WhatsApp, that is the business version of WhatsApp, right? The common WhatsApp, that is the common application that everybody is using, who is not using the business application, will not be able to access it for now. But later on, once it is successful in the beta version, it will be launched very soon in the simpler version as well, right? How this WhatsApp payment feature will exactly work is, we can make payment to any of the contacts that are over WhatsApp, or our contacts that are into WhatsApp. We can make the payments to those contacts easily without using any third-party software. WhatsApp will help us doing so. Another feature that WhatsApp has launched previously is chatbot or the autoresponder to WhatsApp. In this, if I am busy and someone is texting me over WhatsApp or someone is sending me a ping over WhatsApp, I need not to take my phone in my hand. Rather, my chatbot will automatically reply to that particular message. For this, I need to download an application in my device, and that device will help me to respond to a particular message that any of the senders in my contact has sent to me. Well, another feature of WhatsApp is chatbot or auto replies to the pings or the messages that we receive over our WhatsApp. So for these, we need to install an app for that is WA Responder. So autoresponder for WA stands for WhatsApp. And what does this application actually does? This application acts as a robot, and this robot actually helps in having a chat over WhatsApp to any of the contacts. That's why this robot could be named as chatbot, right? And once we enable this application in our phone, and let's say if I'm busy and someone contacts me over WhatsApp, then I need not to take my phone in my hand. That chatbot will automatically reply to that particular message that any of my contact has sent me. And this chatbot exactly works on artificial intelligence. So it is just getting installed, and let me demonstrate how does it exactly works. Okay, our autoresponder for WhatsApp is installed. Let me just open it, and under the notification tab, I need to put a check mark over autoresponder for WhatsApp and allow the settings for that. Right here, using this plus sign, I can add upon the messages that I want to respond to. Like if someone sends me a hello, so for that hello, what should be replied? Hey, hi. And this application provides us with the features of sending this message to any individual or to group or to both. But for now, let me just stick with the individuals thing. So I need to click on this right mark, and after this, if I would like to add some more messages that I would like to reply to the frequent messages that I receive. Like for example, usually when any of the messages come in the morning, people text me or anyone with a GM, that is good morning. So to that good morning, I would like to respond as good morning and have a good day. Okay, now so let me just demonstrate how this chatbot, this autoresponder app exactly works. Okay, so for this, I need to keep this phone aside, and using a different phone, I am sending a message to this number. This is my Bhabhi's number. So I am sending a hello, and instantly the phone that I am holding on the other hand is getting a reply as hey, hi. If I'm sending a good morning, that is a GM. See, this number is getting a notification instantly, while my phone is getting the reply messages good morning and have a good day. So this is how the chatbot exactly works. Okay, chatbot, that is the robot which helps in chatting with any of the contacts. The next is QR scan code. This is the latest feature that WhatsApp has launched. Using this option or using this feature of WhatsApp, we need not to save any new person's number as a contact to our device. We can simply scan their code and start a chat directly with that person. That person will send their QR code, that is the quick response code, which was actually initially launched in 1942 in Japan. That particular person will send the QR code to me. My scanner will scan that code and the WhatsApp page that next will be open. I am able to talk to that particular person using that QR code without having to save the number as my contact, right? So let us deal with the another latest feature of WhatsApp, that is QR scan code. For this, I need to go to my WhatsApp, and then in the settings section, right after my name, you can see a QR scan code, right? If I click on this code, I get two options, my code and scan code. This new feature of WhatsApp is being launched, and the purpose behind this is if you want to have a word with any of your contacts without saving the number, then you can simply scan the QR code provided by the particular person whom you want to start a chat. And if someone else wants to chat with you through your QR code, then you need to share your QR code to that particular person or to anyone over your WhatsApp contacts. This could be done using Instagram or ShareMe app or WhatsApp, or through email or through Facebook links or through messages, etc. And to share your code, you simply need to go to my code, and here the share option is available through which you can share your QR code, right? So let us move further to the next hack or the next recent launch thing done by WhatsApp. Another feature of WhatsApp is video calling. As we have been going for video calls over WhatsApp, initially when WhatsApp was launched, there were no video call concept in it. Later on, the video call concept was launched, but we were able to talk to a single contact over WhatsApp, right? Later on, in the year 2019, it was launched that we can have a video call with 4 persons in our contact, or maybe 4 contacts in our WhatsApp, right? But in the beginning of 2020, WhatsApp has launched a video call and it was limited to 8 contacts at a time. But in May 2020, after this corona pandemic has been arrived in the nation and actually worldwide, WhatsApp has announced its new feature, that is video call for up to 50 persons at a time. And this will be suitable for having a webinar, that is a seminar over web, or maybe online classes. This is actually a very useful feature that WhatsApp has launched.
To demonstrate how we can make video call to multiple persons or multiple contact over WhatsApp, I need to go to my WhatsApp. Then I'm calling to this first person of my contact, and as and when this person receives the call, there will be a plus sign showing on it. Like here the icon is. Now I can add another. So this is the second person in my contact whom I'm calling. I can add on another persons as well. So presently I am there and 3 of my contacts are there over a WhatsApp call. I can add on. This is the 5th person I've been calling. So this is how WhatsApp calling exactly works. And WhatsApp also provides us with a feature of group calling, like adding contacts to a video call individually. We can also make a group call. Like for example, if I have a group right here, I can make a video call directly to all the members of this group. I've got a group called experimental group. So I'm making a call. I'm calling up everybody in this contact, right? So presently, and for this thing, every person in this group needs to have an updated version of WhatsApp, right? It will ask for a feature. It will ask for calling to all the persons whose WhatsApp is updated. So I would like to request call again. Initially there were 7 persons I was calling about, but now there are only 5 of my contacts, right? So this is how WhatsApp group calling exactly works.
Another feature that is actually available into WhatsApp, but it is being rarely used, that is the broadcast. In this, it is a group sort of, but in this we can, when we send a message, that message is being received by any of the contacts as in person, right? When we message in a group, it is received in a group and everybody can see that message. It is visible to everybody available in that particular group. But what happens in broadcast is, if I am sending a message into a group that is being broadcasted, and let's say there are 5 persons in my broadcast group, that 5 persons will receive the message in the person. As if personally they'll receive it, and when they'll respond to the message, it will come to me as a direct message or DM, what we call it as, right? Let me demonstrate it with this video available. Although this is not that new thing to WhatsApp, but still there remains a confusion between WhatsApp group chats and broadcast. So for this we need to go to our WhatsApp, and here right after the three dots, the second option is new broadcast. So what is the difference between broadcast and group is that if I am sending a message to any of the group of my broadcast that I have broadcasted with, the individuals will get the message, right? But the person will not be able to see who else has got the same message. Like what exactly happens when we mail a person? If we write the email IDs in the to section, then everybody comes to know that this particular mail is being sent to how many other persons, right? But if we write the email IDs in the BCC corner, that is the blind carbon copy section, the other person does not happen to know that which this email is being sent to how many other persons. The same way broadcast in WhatsApp works. Let me just demonstrate it by going for a new broadcast thing. Say new broadcast. Now let me add a few of my contacts to this. See, here I have got 5 recipients in my WhatsApp broadcast thing. If I'm sending a hi to them, all the 5 receivers, all the 5 recipients will get this hi to me. And if once they are replying to this hi, the message will come to me in private, but not in this broadcast group, right? But what happens in the group thing is exactly opposite of this. If I'm sending a hi in the group, everybody else who is available in the group can see this and could see the replies as well. But if I'm having a word to my contacts or to my recipients over a broadcast thing, no one can get to know that I am texting a hi to whom other, right? And if the particular recipient is replying it to me, it will come to me directly, like what we call is a direct message or the DM thing, okay? And since I've sent this to all my contacts, like I've sent a hi to all the 5 recipients of my broadcast team, like let me just demonstrate. All my chats would be with a symbol, with a common feature, but the broadcast message will have a mic sort of thing as an icon in that particular chat, right? Let me show it to in this contact as well. Here also there is a mic sort of thing or a speaker sort of thing in this chat, okay? So this is how broadcast in WhatsApp works. So this was all about WhatsApp. I hope the information was helpful to you. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to our channel. Please like the video and share if possible. Thank you so much. And हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए ऐसे ही कई टेक्नोलॉजिकल वीडियोस के लिए. Thank you so very much. Have a very good day.